Assalamualaikum and hello IB to all of you. Our group's project is about Pong game. So today I'm going to show you how this game works using Python. First of all, these are the coding of Pong game. So as you can see here, these are the coding that we use in the Python to make that game. Player lives, class, game state, and so on. Game over, you lose. And then this is the project simulation file. As you can see here, this file in this game consists of ball image, the coding, the game Python, the image of pedal, the image of pedal obstacle, image of pedal opponent, ping pong image, and also we have the sound, which are pong.ogg and also score.ogg. And also we have the setting Python and also the simulation Python in this Python simulation. And then after that, we run this game. So after we run this game, and then we will have this Python windows. So as you can see, the project file here consists of ball, pedals, and so on. So this pie game window show how this Pong game looks like. In the screen as shown, there is logo, word text, and some of marks indicate that we need to click on the screen to start the game. So after clicking on the screen, it will lead to the game straight away. So actually, this game is named as GT Pong. So we chose GT Pong is because GT is stand for game terkejut. But I will not start this game first. I will explain to you by using the picture first, because when I start this game, it will continue until the end, because this game cannot be paused. So I will explain to you by using the photo, so that you can know how this game looks like and how this game works. So as you can see here, this is okay, after clicking on the screen like that before, it will lead to the game straight away like this. So this is how the game looks like. As you can see here, we have two parts, which are the blue one and also the pink one. So they also show the total lifespan, which is equal to 8. This is the lifespan, equal to 8. In the middle, there are the score counter at the left and also the right. Between the score counter, there is a Pong ball. Here is the Pong ball. As you can see in this pie game window, there are pedals at both ends, left and right of the screen. These are the pedals that we control to play this game. And also we have some small obstacles. This is the obstacle and also this is the obstacle. So for the game control, Player need to press key up and key down on the keyboard for the pedal movement. While for the opponent on the left side, this is in the blue one, the artificial intelligence or AI have been set in these events. Means that we, in the pink color, will play with the AI in the blue color. And then this ball is set randomly, move along x-axis and y-axis. It will bounce anywhere. So when the ball collide with the pedals, it will bounce back. So when this ball collide with the pedal, it will bounce back. Backward, forward like that. And then if the ball do not touch the pedals and bounce to the outside of the screen, we do not get any score. So if this ball bounce outside the screen, then we cannot get any score, means that we lose. So, but then if we bounce the ball into the pedal, we get the score. So this is our game. This is the AI, the artificial intelligence. So the score will keep counting up while the lives will be decreased. And this game goes on until the life value equal to 0. So when this life will keep decreasing and our score will keep increasing. Then after that, after our life becomes 0, the word you lose or you win will appear on the screen. And the sound will appear, shows that either we lose or win the game. So now I will show you how this game simulation looks like. Okay. So we click anywhere to start the game. This is how we control the game. But I'm not really know how to play this game well. As you can see, this is the obstacle, this is the pedal, and if the ball doesn't bounce into the pedal, it will bounce the outside and we didn't get any score. So the life keep decreasing. So as you can see just now in this game, the improvement that we make are we add obstacles, which are this one and also this one. And then the second one, the level. As you can see here, the level is from the lives, means that we can play until the lives remain 0. So as I explained before, when the lives decreasing, our score keep increasing. But unfortunately, the weaknesses of this game, the first one is because of the sound doesn't stop. As you can hear before, the sound will keep playing until the end. Either you win or lose the game. And the second one, the weaknesses of this game should have Q&A, which is you need to answer some physics question for penalty. But we didn't manage to code the simulation for this game, for the Q&A. So I think that's all for our group project. Thank you.